Let's take a look at these questions. It has 9 options and participants are asked to select one. In this case, you may use recode command to combine 2 or more small groups or categories of a variable so that the group size will be large enough to perform statistical analysis. As a result of the survey, for example, you receive the responses as below. In our case, we have a few fathers who have a master's or a doctorate. If you look here, 6 and 6. So we will combine them with bachelor's degree. So let's call it bachelor's or more. You can record 10 categories of further education into 3 variables. Let's take a look. Okay, so we are going to record them into 3 groups: high school or less, some college, and then bachelor or more. If you go back to our data set, this is the data set and we are working on the father's education. If you look at the values, we have grouped them. One to look at the some college, and then if you look at the other end here, bachelor or more. So we can record using transform. Click transform, click on record into different variables. Now we want to change the father's education, so this element will go to the other side. Click on. We want to change the name as well, so we say the father's education device. Let's put father's education device. So we change the item. Now the next thing, we need to change the old and the new values. Old and new values. Click on this. So in our values, earlier if you see the data, it start from the 2. So we are actually going to the range. Anything that 2 to 3, we'll put the value 1 as a new value, and then we'll put as 1. That means high school or less. So the other variables starting 4 through 7, we'll put that as a 2, meaning some college education. And now the final one, 8 through 10, these will go to the 3, that means some college, bachelor or more. Okay, and then click on continue and hit OK. So we reorganize them into 3 groups. Okay, now what we need to look at is here, make sure that you have 2, 3, these are high school or less, 4, 5, 6, some college education. That's how I group it. And then 8, 9, 10, like that. Okay, now we need to look at the new variables. This is the one we coded. So under the values, there is a dots. Click on there. We have 1. That means high school or less. High school or less. And then second we coded as some college. College education. And then third one we coded as bachelor degree or more. We combine items. Now if you look at the data variables all the way to the end, the last one, that's the father education. Okay, this participant has 3, that means be bachelor degree or more, and the 1 that means either high school or less. So we can analyze, run descriptives, and then we can check the frequency. This is the item. Okay, and then make a chart. Maybe you can make bar chart. Click on OK, hit OK. Now this indicates that we have 38 participants with the high school or less, and then 16 participants' fathers had at least some college education. 19 of them of their parents had at least bachelor or more. So we have 73, 2 of them missing out of 75 participants. This is the but if you go back to the original one and then compare with that, So we can go back to the data set and then hit analyze, run descriptive statistics and then frequencies. So this time, okay, reset, and this is the father's education there, and hit OK. Maybe we can make a chart as well, bar chart, continue, OK. See the difference is, this is the original one without coding, without organizing both of them together. So 22 and 16, that's what we get here. 38